Hello everyone, I, Sheetal Badesra, Faculty of BBA Department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on the topic of difference between management and administration. I am going to discuss the difference between management and administration on the following basis. Number 1, meaning. 2, authority. Number 3, role. Number 4, concern with. Number 5, areas of operation. Number 6, decision. Number 7, work. Number 8, focus on. Number 9, key person. Number 10, represents. So now I will be discussing these bases one by one. Number 1, meaning. Management is an organized way of managing people and things of a business organization, whereas administration is the process of administering an organization by a group of people. Number 2, authority. Management includes middle and lower level authority, whereas administration includes top level authority. Number 3, role. Role of a management is executive, whereas role of administration is decisive. Number 4, concern with. Management is concerned with the policy implementation, whereas administration is concerned with policy formulation. Number 5, areas of operation. Management works under the administration, whereas administration has full control over the activities of the organization. Number 6, decision. Management decides who will do the work and how it will be done, whereas administration decides what should be done and when it should be done. Number 7, work. Management works by putting plan and policies into action, whereas administration works by formulating plans, framing policies and setting objectives. Number 8, focus on. Management focuses on managing work, whereas administration focuses on making best possible allocation of limited resources. Number 9, key person. In management, key person is a manager, whereas in administration, key person is a administrator. Last but not the least, number 10, represents. Management represents employees who work for remunerations, whereas administration represents owner who get a return on the capital invested by them. Theoretically, it can be said that both are different terms. Both here means management and administration, but practically you will find that the terms are more or less same. You would have noticed that a manager performs both administrative and functional activities, although the managers who are working on the topmost levels are said to be the part of administration, whereas the manager working on the middle or lower level represents management. So, we conclude by saying that administration is above management. So, I hope that you have understood the same from this chapter, difference between management and administration. Thank you very much.